Hello guys, today in this video we're going to be creating a noise detector game. It's not like a game but kind of like what you can do. It's like a project. So you can use it as a microphone in your podcasts and many more. Anyways, this project is going to be uploaded on my Scratch account, if which you don't know guys is River Fantasy 2180. So yeah, let's just start with it. First, let's go to variables and create a variable. Let's just name it noise amount. Okay, done. Yeah, we just created that name so it helps us, and let's make a large readout of it. Anyways, now let's continue with the coding. Anyways, if you don't know what is the size of this costume, it is 286 by 264. So yeah, let's just continue with it. First, let's just select one green flag clicked. Forever, set noise amount to loudness, and uh, now let's go to looks and set size to noise amount. Let's just test it out. Okay, it's working, as you can see. Wow. So now whenever I will do a podcast or you will do a podcast, you can use this bunch of code to create yourself a mic that functions. Bye guys.